The court is now in session. The case of Mayo and Caballo Catering is now being heard. Will the plaintiff please state your case?
Your Honor, I would like to present my case against Caballo Catering. I hired them for my birthday reception in December 1, 2024, and they failed to provide the services outlined in our contract. The food was not delivered on time, and the quality was below what we agreed upon, causing significant distress on my special day.
How does the defendant respond?
Your Honor, we acknowledge that the food was delayed due to unforeseen circumstances, specifically a delivery truck breakdown. However, we did everything possible to rectify the situation, including offering a discount of the final bill.
Please call your first witness.
I call Jesus Bautista, one of the guests. Miss Bautista, can you describe the situation at the reception regarding the catering?
Yes, Your Honor. The food was supposed to be served at 6 p.m., but it didn't arrive until 7 p.m. Many guests were very hungry and frustrated. The delay affected the overall mood of the reception.
Thank you. Did you notice any issues with the quality of the food once it arrived?
Absolutely, the pasta was cold and the chicken was overcooked. It was embarrassing for Mayo and her other visitors.
Do you wish to cross-examine the witness?
Yes, Your Honor. Miss Bautista, is it true that some guests arrived late and might have contributed to the confusion?
While some guests were late, that doesn't excuse the fact that the food was not ready when it was supposed to be.
Okay, thank you. No further questions.
Call your next witness.
I call Miss Eliza, my mother.
Miss Eliza, what was your impression of the catering service during the birthday?
It was disappointing. We have expectation based on the contract. And when the food come late, it ruined the flow in the evening. I felt it was unprofessional.
Thank you. Did you communicate your concern to the catering staff?
Yes, I spoke to the manager on site, but there were no satisfactory explanation provided.
Cross-examine.
Yes, Your Honor. Miss Eliza, you mentioned speaking to the manager. Can you clarify what they said?
They said they're doing their best to resolve the issue, but they didn't help us at the moment.
Thank you. No further questions.
Do you have any further witnesses?
No, Your Honor. We rest our case.
Mr. Caballo, would you like to present your case?
Yes, Your Honor. We call Mr. Caballo, the catering manager. Mr. Caballo, can you explain the circumstances surrounding the food delivery?
Yes, there was an unexpected breakdown of the delivery truck. We worked quickly to ensure the food arrived as soon as possible. We provide appetizers to guests while they waited.
And did you offer any compensation?
Yes, we offered 20% discount on the total bill, which we believe reflects our commitment to customer satisfaction.
Cross-examine.
Mr. Caballo, how do you explain the quality of the food that was served?
We strive for high standards, and I understand that some dishes may not have meet expectations. We regret any disappointment.
Are there any closing statements?
Your Honor, we believe Caballo Catering failed to meet their contractual obligations under Civil Code of the Philippines, specifically Article 1306, which states the contractual obligation must be performed in good faith. The distress caused on our special day is significant.
Your Honor, we took reasonable steps to address an unforeseen issue and we provided compensation as per the Consumer Act of the Philippines, Republic Act number 7394, which requires us to ensure customer satisfaction to the best of our ability. We believe we acted in good faith.
Thank you. I will review the case and the jury will deliver the verdict.
We, the jury, finds the defendant is not guilty.
The jury is thanked and excused. Court adjourned.